Breaking news, a historic day in the United States.
Today, the Supreme Court declared that same-sex couples have a right to marry anywhere in the nation.
Huge crowds outside the Supreme Court erupted in cheers as they heard the ruling. CBS 2's Jessica Schneider is here now with more on the decision and what it means. Jessica?
Well, Chris and Mary, it is a historic and sweeping decision by the Supreme Court. In a 5-4 decision, the court ordered that all 50 states must allow same-sex marriage. It's a decision where, as expected, Justice Anthony Kennedy was the deciding vote, and he wrote a powerful and emotional opinion. As the news rippled through the crowds outside the Supreme Court, cheers and celebration rang out. President Obama called the lead plaintiff, James Obergefell, to congratulate him.
I just want to say congratulations.
Thank you so much, sir. I think it was your wishes.
You know, your leadership on this, has changed the country.
I really appreciate that, Mr. President.
This ruling is a victory for America. This decision affirms what millions of Americans already believe in their hearts. When all Americans are treated as equal, we are all more free.
The Supreme Court issued a 103-page opinion on this 5-4 decision with strong language from deciding Justice Anthony Kennedy. No union is more profound than marriage, for it embodies the highest ideals of love, fidelity, devotion, sacrifice, and family. The challengers ask for equal dignity in the eyes of the law. The Constitution grants them that right. The 4 conservative justices each issued their own dissents, something that is rare. Chief Justice John Roberts read his from the bench, saying this issue should be decided by voters in individual states. Stealing this issue from the people will, for many, cast a cloud over same-sex marriage, making a dramatic social change that much more difficult to accept. For people in New York, New Jersey, and Connecticut, same-sex marriage is already legal. But even for them, this is a huge victory if same-sex couples want to move to another state and be recognized or even adopt. The 2-year-old son of Joseph Vitale and Rob Talmas was named as a plaintiff in this historic case. Cooper was adopted from Ohio, a state that has not allowed same-sex marriage. Because of that, Ohio state officials will only permit one of his fathers to be on his birth certificate. Vitale and Talmas have been fighting for a year to get both of their names on it. And with this decision, they have finally prevailed, ending years of headaches and disappointment.
I can go on with my life. Cooper's going to have a normal life. We're not going to have to do anything special for him. And we can get on and be normal, everyday parents and say we fought the good fight and we just get on with it and just smile.
But this decision is not being praised universally. The Catholic Bishops' Conference issued this statement. Today, the court is wrong again. It is profoundly immoral and unjust for the government to declare that 2 people of the same sex can constitute a marriage. Now, the court usually issues an order on its decisions within 25 days, but for all practical purposes, this decision takes effect immediately. In fact, there are reports that several counties are already performing same-sex marriages in states that before 10 a.m. outlawed those marriages. Here in the tri-state area, though, not much changes, except for people who have adopted from other states. Their union will now be recognized, and the entire country must now allow gay couples to marry. Chris and Mary?
Jessica, thank you.